The Google Pixel 9 is indeed a strong contender for those seeking a flagship-level smartphone in a more compact form factor. With its 6.3-inch OLED display, the Pixel 9 offers high brightness and sharp detail, making it an excellent choice for users who prioritize display quality without needing a larger screen. The phone is also renowned for its camera capabilities, continuing Google's tradition of delivering impressive photography experiences. Design. The Google Pixel 9 represents a significant evolution in the Pixel lineup, showcasing an impressive design and enhanced durability. This model introduces flat sides, a departure from the rounded edges of its predecessors, giving it an aesthetic that closely resembles the iPhone. The device is crafted with premium materials, featuring an aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back, offering strong protection against impacts and scratches. Compared to the Pixel 8, the Pixel 9 is both larger and heavier, with a body thickness of 8.5 mm and a weight of 198 grams. Despite these changes, it remains comfortable to use and solid in hand. The phone is available in 4 color options: black, beige, pink, and light green, catering to a variety of style preferences. Another key feature of the Pixel 9 is its full protection against water and dust, with an IP68 rating. This makes the device not only stylish, but also highly durable, capable of withstanding everyday challenges and environmental conditions. With its 6.3-inch OLED display, the Google Pixel 9's OLED display is a standout feature, offering a resolution of 2424 by 1080 pixels with a 20:9 aspect ratio. While it shares many similarities with its predecessor, the Pixel 8, the Pixel 9's screen has a slightly larger diagonal. Now at 6.3 inches, the display is designed to deliver smooth visuals with a variable refresh rate ranging between 60 Hz and 120 Hz, adapting to different content to balance performance and battery life. One of the most significant improvements in the Pixel 9's display is its brightness. In automatic mode, the screen can reach an impressive peak brightness of 2232 nits, making it far superior to both the Galaxy S24 and iPhone 15 in this regard. During testing, the Pixel 9 achieved over 1,200 nits of brightness in manual mode, with the automatic toggle pushing it up by another 1,000 nits when exposed to bright light. These figures are remarkable and position the Pixel 9 as the leader in display brightness among current flagship smartphones, ensuring excellent visibility even in the brightest conditions. Gemini built AI amazing. Google's Gemini AI is a significant innovation in the Pixel 9 series, enhancing the user experience with its advanced conversational abilities and smart features. With Gemini, you can have in-depth conversations, whether you're brainstorming ideas for a book or conducting an interview. It also offers practical assistance, like suggesting recipes based on a photo of your fridge contents, and editing photos with the Magic Editor, which can remove distractions or even create new landscapes within your images. Gemini can help with productivity tasks such as drafting emails, summarizing texts, and even listening in on calls to create detailed summaries, complete with reminders about key information like dates, times, and plans. Gemini can summarize your Google Docs and unread messages in Gmail, helping you catch up on important information quickly. Simply circle an image or text, even within a video, and Pixel's AI will quickly find it for you. Right from the app you're using, Gemini AI is already available for use and promises to be a game-changer in the Pixel 9 experience. AI photo editing. The Google Pixel 9's camera app is packed with advanced AI-powered features that take photo editing and enhancement to the next level. This clever AI feature allows you to create the perfect group photo, even if you weren't originally in it. By merging 2 photos, one of the group and another with you included, AI seamlessly combines them to produce a single cohesive image. This way, you can always be part of the moment, even if you were the one taking the picture. Pixel's AI goes a step further by analyzing multiple similar photos to find the best moment. It can automatically select the best expressions from everyone in the group or allow you to choose them manually, ensuring that everyone looks their best in the final photo. This feature is a game changer for improving the quality of your photos. Whether it's a new photo or an old memory, Photo Unblur uses AI to sharpen blurry images with just a few taps. bringing clarity to pictures that might otherwise be unusable. This advanced photo editing tool allows you to make significant changes to your photos with ease. Powered by AI, the Magic Editor gives you the flexibility to adjust nearly every aspect of an image, from background changes to repositioning elements within the photo. It's like having a powerful photo editing suite right in your pocket, allowing you to create the perfect shot, just the way you want it. Advanced Pixel Camera. The Pixel 9 series continues to deliver impressive camera capabilities, now enhanced by the updated Tensor G4 processor, which leverages machine learning and AI for superior image processing. The main sensor still captures photos at 50 megapixels, producing images of quality comparable to the iPhone 15 Pro. While Pixel 9's detail may be slightly lower when zoomed in, it compensates with higher brightness. Portrait mode excels in capturing natural skin tones with precise object boundary recognition, although the bokeh effect can occasionally be overly pronounced. Evening photography remains strong with pleasing colors and accurate white balance, though shadows might lack a bit of sharpness. The ultra-wide-angle camera has seen significant improvements with enhanced detail and minimal edge distortion, making it ideal for macro shots with a focusing distance of just 15 millimeters. The front camera, with its 10.5 megapixels resolution, produces selfies that rival and in some cases surpass those from the iPhone 15 Pro. Skin tones appear natural and colors are vibrant and rich. The addition of autofocus ensures that close-up shots are sharp and clear. Overall, the Pixel 9's camera system is a formidable contender in the smartphone photography landscape. Safety and security. The Google Pixel 9 includes a feature that allows it to connect to emergency services via satellite if cellular or Wi-Fi networks are unavailable. This feature enables the phone to send a distress signal, share your location with emergency responders, and notify your emergency contacts. It's a crucial feature for situations where you're in remote areas without traditional network coverage, ensuring you can still call for help when needed. When a potential danger is detected in your vicinity, the Pixel 9 promptly notifies you with an alert, providing vital information to help you and your loved ones stay safe. New Processor Tensor G4. What are everyone scolding Pixel smartphones for? For the performance. In fact, the smartphone literally flies when it is used. The new Pixels are running on the new generation of Google chipset, Tensor G4. The Tensor G4 features a completely new 8-core processor configuration, slightly different from its predecessor, the Tensor G3. The core layout includes 1X Cortex X4 at 3.1 GHz for high-performance tasks, 3X Cortex A720 at 2.6 GHz for balanced performance, 4X Cortex A520 at 1.92 GHz for efficiency in handling lighter tasks. The graphics processing unit, GPU, remains the Mali G715 MegaCoulomb 7, as in the Tensor G4, but with an increased frequency, now at 940 MHz, up from 890 MHz. This boost enhances gaming and graphic-intensive tasks, ensuring smoother visuals and a more responsive experience. The Pixel 9 comes with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, an upgrade from its predecessors, ensuring that the Pixel 9 delivers a high-performance experience that meets the expectations of modern users. Battery performance. The Pixel 9 manages to offer a reasonably sized 4,700 mAh battery, which delivers performance on par with larger devices in terms of battery life. The Pixel 9 supports 27W wired charging, which, while sufficient, is slower than the ultra-fast charging solutions that can recharge a battery in as little as 50 minutes to 1 o'clock hours. This charging time is considered long, especially in comparison to other devices that offer much faster charging speeds. While the Pixel 9's battery life is solid, the slower charging speeds could be a drawback for users who are accustomed to quicker top-ups and need to recharge their devices more frequently or rapidly. Frequently asked questions. The Google Pixel 9 offers versatile connectivity options with its dual SIM functionality, allowing you to use both a physical SIM card and an eSIM simultaneously. This feature, known as Dual SIM Dual Standby (DSDS), enables you to manage two different phone numbers or carriers on the same device, offering enhanced connectivity options, especially useful for frequent travelers or those who need constant access to high-speed networks. This ensures that you can experience the fastest possible internet speed supported by your carrier, When you purchase the Pixel 9, it comes with a 1-meter USB-C to USB-C cable, USB 2.0, and a SIM tool to help you set up your phone. However, note that the 45W USB-C power charger is not included in the box but can be purchased separately if needed.